Meet the meSch Toolkit. This kit gives cultural heritage professionals the freedom to experiment with new kinds of interactive storytelling. We invited several Dutch museums here to Waag Society to test the meSch technology for us and to tell us what they think.
It's great for starters and it's great for small museums because it's so much more user-friendly than I expected.
This technology challenges everyone to be creative. You can tell multiple stories in addition to your text labels, or give museum objects a voice.
Steen Snijder atelier in Amsterdam. Je komt binnen in zijn atelier.
Let an object tell its own story when a visitor touches a replica or enters a room.
En dit is een oude stethoscoop. En de bezoeker die kan dus per object eigenlijk uit 3 verhalen kiezen. Het eerste verhaal is meer een basisverhaal voor leken. Het tweede is een verhaal over de geschiedenis van het object. En het laatste is een meer medisch-wetenschappelijk verhaal. Dan scan je het verhaal.
Hoorspel
en dan hoor je het geluid.
1608. Steen Snijder atelier.
In this way, stories and information become accessible through natural gestures and physical movement.
Now that we made this basic hologram, we will use the meSch technology to make an interactive hologram out of it, so we can display it in the museum.
The kit contains a base set of multiple sensors, a projector, and a pre-configured tiny server. But you can also add your own hardware.
meSch gives the possibility to museum people to reuse code of technical people.
Sounds a little intimidating? Don't worry. We guide you through the whole process with a user-friendly content system, the authoring tool. Well, I really like that we can prototype ourselves because, for example, right now we're redeveloping our Roman galleries, the Roman collection, and we know we want to give people access to certain information, but we're not quite sure about the interaction we want. But with the meSch technology, we can quite easily try out different types of interaction. And we can also try out different types of content. So do people prefer video? Do they prefer text, or do they prefer audio? And we can do this ourselves and change it really quickly and easily to get feedback from our visitors, so we can make a more informed decision on the type of technology we want on gallery. And most of all, it's easy and fun. The only thing you have to do is start playing.